it's your girl, Amazing. This is Dance for Health, the African approach to fitness. And this is the first day of our tutorials, my online tutorial, and I'll be taking you through a very simple step on how to learn how to dance. First of all, you must warm up. Before you embark on anything, you just make sure you are very fit and ready to twist your arms and twist yourself. We don't want you breaking your leg on the dance floor. So every athlete and everybody that's fit knows the art of warm-ups. So I encourage you to always do 3 to 5 minutes, 10 minutes, as long as you can. Have your bottle of water and you're ready to start. Well, we're talking about traditional dance. I'm going to show you something very important. If you don't have hanky, you know what we call handkerchief. In Igbo, we know how to dance with white handkerchief. It's very graceful. But just in case you don't have the money to buy white handkerchief, I'm going to show you how to use kitchen towel or paper towel. I love this. I'm going to show you how to use paper towel to do your dance. First of all, just pick up, this is my paper towel. So I'm going to basically take out 1 towel and 2 towels. So it's entirely up to you how you want it. If you want to use 1 hand, that's cool. But if you want to use 2 hands, it's equally cool. So when you're dancing, you just hold your towel, paper towel, and you fling it like that. And then like that. I'll do it again. Like that. And like that. See what I'm doing? Like that. And like that. Get my hand. Okay? And then like that. And as you're doing it, you need to learn how to smile. You cannot be a good dancer without engaging your muscles. You have to smile. So you see what I'm doing? You take it one after a time. 1, 2. So I'm gonna do it faster. That's it. That's it. That's it. Like that. That's it. Okay? Remember, I've got my towel. If I didn't tell you, I've got a paper towel you want now. See? So just keep going. We're dancing to the music. Don't forget your smile. That's it for today. We have a beautiful day. I'm going to play the music louder and we will engage in this. So keep your paper towel and I will be back. From us today. Please tune in by this time next week and I will be here again with another simple step for you to take. God bless you. It's your girl Amazing, and this is the Dance for Health, the African approach to fitness. Have a beautiful day. Love you.